Good morning. I'm Jenna Kawili, the caregiver of St. Augustine of Nursing. I'm here today to show you how to burping a baby. We have two techniques of how to burping the baby. The over the shoulder and the lap burping. First we do is over the shoulder the baby. Over the shoulder technique, you can do this standing or sitting or alternate sitting and standing. Start, you put the burping towel over your shoulder in case the baby is spill off. Then hold the baby up in your chest. So that the baby facing toward you with your arm top under the bottom for support. Use dominant hand gently tapping you and down, up and down, and you can also rubbing his back by several times. Then keep in mind that the breastfeed baby done to burp less, taking less air in the bottle baby. Next we do is the sitting or lap position. Placing a burp cloth on your leg. Placing the cloth towel on your leg and position the baby like that. You can use either leg of the baby facing either and one open hand holding the baby to make it strong. Use your dominant hand, gently pat the butt between the shoulder, working your way up and down, and rub her up and down after several pats. At first, it can seem a little awkward, but after some breathings, it will be second nature. Remember that there is nothing wrong if the baby is splitting or split out. Burping a baby is another activity. Give your hand-on contact. All of this as your hands bonding experience.